Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows the South Bronx way. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients. This includes unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, pure vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt. Next, prepare your baking pan. Lightly grease it and then dust generously with powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Having everything ready before you start ensures a smooth and successful marshmallow making experience. Now let's get cooking. Begin by blooming your gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's fully softened. In a separate saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then boil without stirring until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Carefully pour this hot syrup over the bloomed gelatin, mixing continuously. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these marshmallow tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. All that stirring and whipping can make you thirsty, so staying hydrated is key. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold. You can find a link to grab your own Owala bottle, along with other awesome deals, right in the description box below. Now let's get back to the video. Once the syrup and gelatin are combined, it's time for the magic. Transfer the mixture to a stand mixer with a whisk attachment. Whip on high speed for 10 to 12 minutes. The mixture will transform into a thick, glossy, and bright white marshmallow fluff. During the last minute of whipping, add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Finally, pour the fluffy marshmallow into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Allow it to set at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.